Upload, and we are here today at the 2013 IDEA Fitness Convention. What I really like about this event is that there's so many different products out here. We have different software. You see a lot of the fashion going on. We're getting a lot more fashionable while being fit and passionate for what we do.
Yeah.